Sweden's SAAB group has said that SAAB is interested to co-develop artificial intelligence, robotics and drone technologies with India. Bharat Forge has announced its strategic acquisition of a 25% equity stake in Italian firm Edgelab for €2.5 million, which is renowned for its expertise in autonomous underwater vehicles. India's Technology Development Fund scheme has announced a project to develop an indigenous pulse-traveling wave tube that generates the high-power radio frequency pulses essential for effective jamming operations. Russian state media has reported that a new helmet-mounted targeting system has been introduced on the Su-57 fighter jet, pitching Morocco as a gateway to Africa and Europe for Indian companies. Morocco's minister delegate in charge of the National Defense Administration has said that Morocco would like to offer state-of-the-art environment, zero bureaucracy, and profitability for Indian defense companies. The chief of Nepal Army visited facilities of Tata Advanced Systems and Bharat Forge Ltd. And observed an impressive display of advanced weaponry and defense systems. In his first foreign trip after assuming the top office in September, Sri Lankan president has arrived in India on a 3-day visit to New Delhi. Ahead of Russian president's upcoming visit to New Delhi for the 23rd annual India-Russia bilateral summit, Russian state media Sputnik has started aggressive promotion of the Su-57 and positioned the Su-57 not only as a tactical choice, but a strategic one for India's defense needs. Sputnik has reported that the Su-57 aligns with India's Make in India initiative, allowing for joint production and technology transfer, while the other option of American F-35 comes with significant conditions for India, including high operational costs and maintenance demands, along with political strings attached due to US foreign policy considerations. This new aggressive promotion of the Su-57 by Russian media could be seen as a strategic maneuver to secure a significant deal during President Putin's visit to New Delhi, and is aimed at countering the allure of F-35 and ensuring continued military cooperation between Russia and India. After receiving a lukewarm response to the proposed Brahmos-2K hypersonic cruise missile, Brahmos Aerospace is revisiting the missile's technical specifications and pricing structure. Both India and Russia have started technical discussions to refine the missile's design, ensuring that it can offer enhanced capabilities while striving to balance costs. Brahmos Aerospace is now considering to increase the missile's range from 800 kilometers to 1,500 kilometers, making it more capable in both conventional and strategic offensive roles, and the price might be decreased slightly with increased localization of production. In its briefing to the Indian Air Force for the medium transport aircraft tender for 60 transporters, Embraer has introduced a bold new proposition, which is a C-390M equipped with hardpoints under its wings to carry air-to-surface weapon systems such as the Rudram-2 and medium-range anti-ship missiles, providing crucial land attack and anti-ship capabilities. Embraer is also eager to evolve the C-390M into a mothership for air-launched drones, for a swarm or autonomous UAV deployment, serving as both a transport aircraft and tactical strike platform. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.